Hi, my dear students. Now we are going to the chapter-wise concept. The topic is a pair of straight lines. Now, the concept. This is the concept of slopes related concept, part 2. Okay. Now, other the concept that is, if the slopes of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are in the ratio p is to q, then p plus q whole square by pq is equal to 4h square by AB. That's it. So this is the concept. On this concept, more number of questions depends upon this concept. They are from JEE mains and JEE advanced level questions. Depends upon this concept. That's why we have to approach the competitive questions, that means objective questions, according to the concept. That's why conceptual learning is very, very important, right? That's why now we have to prove this one. Observe. So from the given condition, slopes of the homogeneous pair of lines, actually ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents the homogeneous pair of lines equation. Okay, so it has slopes. That's why the ratio of the slopes given there. What is the ratio of the slopes? That is the p is to q. That's why we have to consider the slopes of the lines m1 and m2, since the given equation, homogeneous pair of lines equation, passes through the origin. That's why you have to take two individual lines which are passing through the origin, taken as y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. There exist slopes m1 and m2 whose ratio is given there, p is to q. That's why m1 is to m2 is equal to p is to q, m1 by m2 is equal to p by q. Right, m1 is equal to p by q into m2. Right. Now we know that in previous video we know that sum of the slopes minus 2h by b and the product of the slopes a by b and difference of the slopes 2 times of root of h square minus ab by mod b. Okay, so these are from homogeneous pair of lines equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents two individual lines which are passing through the origin and having the slopes m1 and m2. That's why sum of the slopes, we know that m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, and product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to a by b. Now from this one, m1 is equal to q p by q m2, substitute in this one. That's why in place of m1 p by q m2, so take common m2, then p by q plus 1 is equal to minus 2h by b. From this we have to find m2 after cross multiplication, minus 2hq by b into p plus q. Here also m1 m2 is equal to a by b. In place of m1 we have to substitute p by q m2. That's why m2 square is equal to qa by pb. Now observe, in place of m2 we have to substitute this one, m2 square, that is 4h square q square by b square into p plus q whole square is equal to qa by pb. Now here q one times gets cancelled, here b one times gets cancelled. After simplification, 4h square q by b into p plus q whole square is equal to a by b. After class multiplication, then we get here it is 4h square by ab by ab is equal to p plus q whole square by pq. That's all. So p plus q whole square by pq is equal to 4h square by ab is the condition for the slopes of the homogeneous pair of lines are in the ratio p is to q. Okay. Now we are going to the do the questions, JEE mains level questions on this concept. Okay. Now write it fast. Okay, observe the question, that is depends upon the concept, that is the value of h if the slopes of the lines represented by 6x square plus 2hxy plus y square is equal to 0 are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is the first option plus or minus root 3 by 2, second option minus plus or minus 3 by 2, and third option plus or minus 3 root 3 by 2, and fourth option plus or minus 3 root 3. Okay, so this is depends upon the concept. What is the concept? The ratio of the slopes is ps to q, then p plus q whole square by pq is equal to 4h square by ab. Right. Now, so solution for this question. Take the given equation, pair of lines equation 6x square plus 2hxy plus y square is equal to 0. This will comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, where a is equal to 6, h is nothing but h, and b is equal to 1. Now, what is the formula? Formula is p plus q whole square by pq is equal to 4h square by ab. What about pq? That means pq is given there. P is to q is equal to 1 is to 2. Is it clear? That means we have to take p by q. That means here it is p by 1 is equal to q by 2 is equal to, we have to take k. Then p is equal to k and q is equal to 2k. Substitute here. Here it is k plus 2k, 3k. 3k square is 9k square by k into 2k, that is 2k square is equal to 4h square by ab. What is a? 6. What is b? 1. That's all. 6 into 1. Now k square gets cancelled. Here it is 3 times gets cancelled. Now from this 4h square is equal to 27. 4h square is equal to 27. That's why h square is equal to 27 by 4. So h is equal to plus or minus 3 root 3 by 2. H is equal to plus or minus 3 root 3 by 2. That's why which option that? So that is the third option. That's all. So these are very, very important questions in objective, that means in competitive exams. It depends upon the concept. What is the concept? Slopes ratio P is to Q, then P plus Q whole square by PQ is equal to 4H square by AB. Okay, write it fast. Now we are going to one more question on this concept. One more question similar to previous question on the same concept. Okay, we are going to the next question, depends upon the same concept, that is, if the slope of one line is twice the slope of the other line in the pair of straight lines equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then 8h square is equal to the first option 7ab, second option minus 7ab, third option 9ab, and fourth option minus 9ab. Yes, so this is also depends upon the same concept. That means a ratio of the slopes. That means one slope is twice the other slope. Means what? Here, solution for this one. One slope is twice the other slope. So, one slope is m, other slope is 2m. That's why ratio is 1 is to 2. So, here, same. m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. That means here, p is to q is equal to 1 is to 2. Same process, similar to the previous question here also. That's why p by 1 is equal to q by 2 is equal to k. Let us take. So p is equal to k and q is equal to 2k. That's why. Now what is the formula? p plus q whole square by pq is equal to 4h square by ab. Now from the given equation, a is a, b is b, h is h. We have to substitute here, and p is k plus 2k, that is 9k square, k plus 2k, 3k whole square is 9k square by product of pq, that is 2k square is equal to 4h square by ab. That's why here k square gets cancelled. Apply cross multiplication, 9ab is equal to 8h square. What required? 8h square. So 8h square is equal to 9ab. So that is the third option. That's all. Therefore, 8h square is equal to 9ab. That's all. Right? So now we are going to one more question on this concept. Write it fast. Now we are going to the next question. Depends upon the similar concept, that is, if the slope of one of the line is given by 6x square plus 2hxy plus 72y square is equal to 0 is 4 times the other line slope, then the value of h square minus 670 is, the first option is 0, second option 5, and third option 10, and fourth option 15. That's all. This is also same concept. That's why we have to take the pair of lines equation, that is the homogeneous pair of lines equation. What is that? 6x square plus 2hxy plus 72y square. So solution for this, what is that? 6x square plus 2hxy plus 72y square is equal to 0. Now where a is equal to 6 and h is h and b is equal to 72. When we have to comparing the given equation, will comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then a is 6, h is nothing but h, and b is 72. Now, what is the given ratio? One slope is 4 times the other slope. That means the ratio of the slopes 1 is to 4. So here given m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 4. So this is taken as p is to q. That means p is to q is equal to 1 is to 4. Now from this, p by 1 is equal to q by 4. Let us take that is k. So p is equal to k and q is equal to 4k. Now what is the formula? What is the formula? P plus q whole square by pq is equal to p plus q whole square by pq is equal to 4h square by ab. That's all. P plus q, k plus 4k, that is 5k. 5k square is nothing but 25k square by pq is nothing but 4k square is equal to 4h square by ab. What is ab? 6 into 72. 6 into 72. That's all. Now here k square gets cancelled, and here 4 18s 72, that's cancelled, and here it is 4 9s, that means here it is 2 times it is 3, and it is 2 times it is 9. That's why 25 into 27 is equal to h square. So this is nothing but, this is 675. 675 is equal to h square. Now what required? H square minus 675 minus 670 is equal to 5. H square minus 670 required. That is 5. That's why second option is right answer. Are you clear? That's why this is the previous JEE mains question actually. That's why each and every competitive question, that means each and every objective question depends upon the concept. That's why we have to approach conceptual learning, right? Write it fast. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Okay, we are going to the next question. If the slope of one of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is the square of the other, then a plus b by h plus 8h square by ab is equal to first option 4, second option 6, and third option 8, and fourth option 9. So observe here, this is a little bit different. That means a little bit different from previous 3 questions. Of course, this is also depends upon the same concept, but here not given ratio. One slope is square of the other slope. That means suppose you have to take one slope is m, other slope is m square. Okay, now solution for this one. Given pair of lines, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is called a standard form of the homogeneous pair of lines. Let m be the one slope, m be the one slope. That means m be the slope of one line. Let m be the M be the slope of one line. Let M be the slope of one line. Then M square is slope of the other line. M square is slope of the other line. Then M square is slope of the other line. That's all. Okay. Now sum of the slopes. Sum M plus M square is equal to how much? Minus 2h by b. And product of the slopes. M into M square is equal to a by b. That means M cube is equal to a by b. M cube is equal to a by b. Now we have to take this one. M plus M square is equal to minus 2h by b. Apply cubing on both sides. Then M plus M square whole cube is equal to minus 8h cube by b cube. Since apply cubing on both sides. Are you clear? We know the formula for a plus b whole cube. So that is the algebraic formula. A plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Like that. That is m cube plus m power 6 plus 3 times of ab. M into m square. M cube into a plus b. That is m plus m square is equal to minus 8h cube by b cube. 8h cube by b cube. Now, what is m cube? M cube is a by b plus m cube whole square, that is m power 6. A square by b square plus 3 times of a by b and m plus m cube minus 2h by b is equal to minus 8h cube by b cube. 8h cube by b cube. Now we have to simplify this. Now observe, here a by b plus a square by b square minus 6ah by b square is equal to minus 8h cube by b cube. Okay. Now we have to multiply, that means we have to multiply by b cube on both sides. We have to multiply by b cube on both sides. Then it is ab square, since b cube by b is nothing but b square, plus a square b, since it is b cube by b square is b. Right. Now minus b cube. This is 6abh minus 6abh, since b cube by b square is b, is equal to minus 8h cube, since b cube gets cancelled. B cube gets cancelled. Now observe here, we have to take common ab from these two. Ab is common, so it is b plus a minus take this side and take this side. This is 8h cube is equal to 6abh. Now dividing by abh on both sides. So abh, divide by abh. Clear? Then here ab gets cancelled. So a plus b by h. Here h times gets cancelled, plus 8h square by ab is equal to, here abh gets cancelled, 6. That's why answer is 6. Which option that? That is second option. That's all. So according to the concept, we are going to solve the questions which are from JEE mains and advanced level questions. So that's why all India level exams depends upon the questions depends upon the basic concepts. That's why you can concentrate on the concept. Okay, that's why pair of straight lines starting video is there, and second video already posted, and this is the third video. That means these are all concepts for homogeneous pair of lines. Of course, area of triangle and product of perpendiculars and pair of angular bisectors, and these are all homogeneous pair of straight lines. That's why after completion of homogeneous pair of straight lines, now we are going to non-homogeneous pair of straight lines. So that's why you can subscribe my channel. My channel is Mathematics UVS. Mathematics UVS, my channel. You can subscribe this channel. You can get the updated videos. Already in my channel there exist playlists. Matrices one playlist, and theory of equations one playlist, quadratic equations and expressions one playlist, and senior enter topics, that means circles and system of circles and indefinite integrals. Those are two playlists, and this is straight lines and a pair of straight lines one playlist. That's why you can search in my channel playlists. Then you get definitely chapter wise concepts. That's why you can subscribe my channel. Definitely updated videos you will get. So you can learn the concept, you can approach the concept. So it is very easy. According to the concept, you have to approach, you have to solve the questions. Very interesting and very easy. Without concept, it is difficulty and painful. Since mathematics, without concept, we can't approach. Without concept, we can't approach it. Just that is the by-hearting type. That's why you can approach the concept, then it is very easy. According to the concept, we have to do the questions. It is very easy and interesting. Especially geometry completely depends upon the concept. Okay, that's why don't worry about it. You can watch my videos. Very interesting and very easy. Since I will give the concept and immediately I will give the related questions which are from JEE Mains and advanced level competitive questions related to the concept. That's why this approach is, that means this process is very effective and interesting in mathematics. That's why you can watch the videos and you can maintain the proper notes for concept. Since concept notes, you can maintain the concept note for square type notes, and you can write concept, and immediately the questions depends upon the concept. Okay, right, bye, right, okay.